Okay, this is going to be part 2 of the drum break for Olivia and Carissa only, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate. Now, Olivia and Carissa, I know you're facing different directions. The work is the same. So at this point, Carissa, you're facing the front, and Olivia, you're facing the back. So every time I turn, you guys turn to the front or back, depending on where you already are. Okay, so you're doing the same work though. Now that you're in this position, you're doing the same work. I'll let you know when it's a little different. Okay, but right now I'm just going to face one direction. So no matter who you are, you're pointing like this to the other person. Doesn't matter who you are, right? So you're here. You got there on 1, and you're holding 2. Okay, and then you're going to dip 3, 4, 5. Whoever your body is facing, like your head is this way, but your body is, like one other way. So that means Carissa, you're going to do this to the front, and Olivia, you do it to the back. Okay? Simple. So you're here on 2, and then you twist back to the front, dip 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're still holding on to the silk. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again? So Carissa, all that's to the front. Olivia, all that is to the back. You guys are doing the same work though. You're here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you don't want to stop on 5. It's just a checkpoint. You want to keep going into it, okay? It's just a checkpoint. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Now you guys are going to switch. Like Olivia, you're going to go to the front, and Carissa, now you're going to the back. The work is the same. You're just switching which way you're facing. So you're here 11. You go up, dive over your left shoulder, up, down. I'll do it from this direction. Okay? Up, dive over the left shoulder so the tip goes down, and you step with the right foot, and you turn up, down, and now you're facing the other direction. So now Carissa's facing the back, and Olivia's facing the front. Okay, so again, we're here on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Still holding on to the silk. Okay. So we just did 5. We have 5 sets now under our belt. 2 more, and then you have the whole show, okay? So let's do that set again. You're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? I'll turn around so you can see what I'm doing, okay? Then you're going to do a cone. Still holding on to this. You cone, and then you twist, bring it up, and then wrap the silk around your back. Okay? I'll do that again. So don't overthink this. It's not hard. You literally do a cone. So let's say you're not holding on to it. You know how you do a cone and you go like this? Just like, regular, cone, cone. Or when we do it with one-handed, cone, cone. That's what you're doing with your right hand. You're just holding onto the silk with your left. So it's a cone. Okay? So give yourself some slack so that it's not like tight. Just some slack. But not at the very, very end. About that far in. Okay? You're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you put it behind your neck. And then you're going to dip the flags down and just turn. Now this is where you guys are a little different. So I'll do Olivia's first, okay? So Olivia, you're facing the front. So I'll face this way, but you're facing the front when you go to do the cone. So Olivia, this is for you. So watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're facing the back. Carissa, you start at the back, and you have to do a full turn to get back to the back. So then you're back. You guys are back in on 10. Okay. So Olivia, you're to the back on 10, and it's in your right hand, but it's on your left side, and it's like behind your back. So Carissa, this is for you. I'm going to face this way just so you can do it with me, okay? So let's say I'm facing the back. Carissa, I'm facing the back, and I got to get back to the back. So I'm doing a cone to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you just got to go a little faster on your circle. Olivia has a half turn, you have a full turn. You guys are going to end up the exact same way. Now you're together. Okay? So let's do it again. So Olivia, this is you. If you're facing the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm to the back. Carissa, I'm going to face the back and get back to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And you're still holding on to the silk. Now you're both at the back. The rest of the work you do together now. You had your little separate thing and now you're back together. You guys are here on 10. You let go of the silk, 11, 12. So you get it off your back so that it comes to the front. You re-grab 12, 13, 14, 15. You turn back to the front, 16, 1. That's fast because the rifles are doing something similar, okay? I'll do it again. I'll do it the opposite way. You're here on 10, right? 11, 12. So you let go. You re-grab with the left hand on 12. You turn over your right shoulder, 3 count turn to the front. And if the silk is caught, you can, just flip it like you're facing the back. So if it's like tangled, you can just like untangle it as you go to the front. You have 3 counts, so it's a little slow. Okay, you're here on 12, over the right shoulder, step with the right foot, 13, 14, 15, and this is fast, 16, 1. And it comes flat. So now we're on the 7th set, okay? Get here on 1, hold, 2, 3, left leg comes in, down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And during that time, you reset the flags. Because remember, you have to use the swing flags again for song 2. So you reset them a little bit to your right. You go down on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you have your red flags. 13, 14, cross, and down. Okay, then it's the white rabbit work we have, okay? So let me go over that again. So please make sure you watch the other video first to make sure that you have those first 4, the transitional work and the first 4 of the drum break. Okay. So, all right, Olivia, I'm going to do your work first. So just watch this segment. This is going to be Olivia. I'm going to do it from both angles. Okay, so Olivia, you're here. You're facing the back. Okay, you're facing the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're at the front. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're to the back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're to the front. 16, 1, 2, 3, in 4, blah, blah, blah. I'll do it from this angle. This is still Olivia, okay? Facing the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Facing the front now. Cone 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you take the counts on that. 11, 12. Turning to the front. 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. Well, down on 4, okay? So that was your work, Olivia. Now, Carissa, this is yours, okay? I'm going to do it facing one way, then the other way. So, Carissa, you are here. So, that's the audience there, that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Carissa, you're at the back now. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're at the back. You did a full circle. 11, 12. I'm tangled, so I'm going to unwind. 13, 14, 15. You're at the front. 16, 1. Hold 2, 3. Leg in. 4. Okay? I'll do it facing the other way. Now, this is the audience. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm facing the back. Cone into the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm at the back again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm at the front. 16, 1. Hold 2, 3. Down 4. Left leg comes in. And then it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up 13, 14. cross your flag and da, 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 all that stuff, okay? So you have the end of Joanna's work. So you come around 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then you have 8 counts that are slow and 8 that are fast. So that's a 16 before the drum break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then you have the 7 sets. The last set of 16 is just transitional. The last set of 16 starts on 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's technically a set, but so there's 7 sets altogether. It starts with that of the drum break, okay? So now you ladies have the transitional work from Joanna's work to the drum break, and then the drum break to the end. So you now have all the work, so please practice and reach out with any questions. Thank you very much.